between here and there. Moving through the light, shapes dissolving into night. Time is losing all its form. I am